everyone. Today, I will explain the key points of the Treaty of Paris, 1898, Article 9 to 17. Article 9. Spaniards living in ceded territories could stay or live while keeping their property rights. They could keep Spanish citizenship by formal declaration or automatically adopt the nationality of the new territory. The U.S. Congress would decide the civil political status of the native inhabitants. Article 10. Guaranteed freedom of religion in ceded territories. Article 11. Spaniards were subjected to local courts, civil and criminal, but had equal rights as citizens in legal processes. Article 12. Ongoing judicial cases were respected. Final judgments under Spanish law remained valid. Pending civil cases continue in existing courts. Spanish Supreme Court could finish pending criminal cases, but execution of sentences was left to local authorities. Article 13. Copyrights and patents held by Spaniards remain protected. Spanish works, literary, artistic, scientific, entered ceded territories duty-free for 10 years. Article 14. Spain retained the right to establish consular offices in ceded territories. Article 15. For 10 years, U.S. and Spanish merchant ships received equal treatment in ports regarding fees and duties. Article 16. U.S. obligations in Cuba applied only during its occupation. Afterward, Cuba's future government would be advised to uphold them. Article 17. Treaty ratification by both Spain and U.S. was completed and it was officially proclaimed on April 11, 1899.